At IB Canada Group, we are your complete and independent source on the infinite banking concept, serving Canadians from coast to coast.
One of the tax minimization strategy is using tax-exempt products that most people don't know much about. The conversation is about tax efficiency. If you are single, widowed, or divorced, you need to have this conversation more than most. Despite the historical increase in personal wealth with the baby boom generation, and presumably continued increase for Gen X and Y thereafter, Canadians are still suffering financially. One of the major impediments to wealth is taxation. For the vast majority of Canadians, taxation is virtually unintelligible and consequently a predominant impediment to wealth. My name is Mary Chow Ivanovich, member of the IB Canada Group. We are your complete and independent source on the infinite banking concept, serving Canadians from coast to coast. According to a recent report published by the Fraser Institute, average Canadian family pays 43% of its total annual income in taxes. When we say taxes, we don't just mean income taxes. It includes everything from income taxes to payroll taxes, health taxes, sales taxes, property taxes, profit taxes, fuel taxes, vehicle taxes, import taxes, alcohol and tobacco taxes, and much more. Indeed, more than the sum total for the shelter, food and clothing, the necessities of life. Don't get me wrong, we live in an amazing country and we are happy to pay our fair share of tax revenues. But there's only so much we can pay. For any planning we do, it would be beneficial to consider some legal tax strategies that would fit your individual situation. In this short video, I'm going to share with you 5 tax minimization strategies that you should know about. First, income deferral. Examples would be registered accounts like RRSPs or capital gains deferral. Second, income splitting. Examples like spousal RRSP or CPP sharing. Third, income spreading. For example, business or commission income delay or use of prescribed annuity. Fourth, tax sheltering, like TFSA or leveraging using your permanent life insurance policy. Fifth, tax credit maximization. Examples, charitable donation or pension income credit. So again, the 5 tax strategies are income deferral, income splitting, income spreading, tax sheltering, and tax credit maximization. At any time, if you're interested to learn more tips and strategies, make sure to subscribe to our channel. The conversation is about tax efficiency. If you're single, widowed, or divorced, you need to have this conversation more than most. Because if you have a spouse and you die, all of your assets can roll over, tax shelter through a spousal rollover provision, and taxes are not due until the second spouse passes away. But if you are single, widowed, or divorced, you are one incident away from a huge disposition and tax bill. Isn't it amazing how many people have RRSPs or RIPs and don't realize that 54% of that money could end up in government's hand? Well, talk about tax efficiency. There are really only 4 tax shelters left in Canada. One of them is a principal residence, at least for now. The second one is your TFSA. Investment income in your TFSA is tax-free, but the amount you can deposit every year is very small and limited. The next one, lottery winnings. Don't buy your tickets in the States. In Canada, lottery winnings are still tax-free. The last but not least is life insurance. Other than these 4 things, CRA is waiting to be a partner in any of the income or investment gains you have made. And they want anywhere between 27% and 54% of that money. When a lot of people hear the word life insurance, they run away. But if you knew that life insurance is one of those tax-efficient structures, wouldn't it make sense to find out what it does, as opposed to what it is? Lastly, when it comes to life insurance, policy design is particularly important. Some policies focus on the death benefit, which is tax-free, whereas some policies focus on high cash value, which is tax-preferred. Tax treatment depends on how you decide and how you use a policy. Well, when you're ready to make a positive change in your financial life, connect with myself or one of our team members at IB Canada Group, your independent authority for information on the infinite banking concept. I hope you find this information valuable. Don't be afraid to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, leave us a comment, and follow us on social media. Until next time, thank you for watching.
IB Canada Group, your independent authority for information on the infinite banking concept.